Blooket is amazing for playing live games in your class, whether that's online or in the classroom, but you can keep the fun and learning going while your students are at home. To assign homework, you can use your sets or public sets. To assign homework for a public set, find that set and select it, and this will open the preview page. Then select Assign HW, which stands for homework. To use one of your own sets, go to your My Sets page and select Assign for the set that you want to use. Next, select a solo game mode for your students to play. Not all of our live game modes are also available for solo play, so this might be a good opportunity to explore some new game modes. Select a game mode to learn a little bit more about it, and when you found one that you liked, click on Assign Homework. From here, you can select how long the students will have to complete the homework by adjusting these values right here. You'll see the due date displayed right up at the top. And if you're on the starter plan, you can assign homework up to a week in advance, but Blooket Plus subscribers can assign homework up to a year out. There are some more details about Blooket Plus down below this video. But if you scroll down on this page, you'll find more options. Adjust the homework title if you wish, and change the settings for this particular game mode. Allowing student accounts will give students the opportunity to earn tokens and experience points by completing this homework, but it's not at all required to complete the homework. But it is a fun reward for those students that do have accounts. If you've made all of your adjustments, scroll back up to the top and click Assign Now. From this page, you can click the link to copy and share with your students, or if they're in the classroom with you, you can instruct them to scan the QR code right there. Students will have until the due date to complete the homework. Once the homework closes, students will no longer be able to access this game. To learn how to view homework reports, retrieve these links again, or extend the due date, click on this video right here where we go into depth about that. Or if you want to learn how to play solo games so you can try these new game modes out, then click on this video to learn how. Either way, we'll see you in the next one.